A very good morning, dear students. This is your English teacher. My name is Suresh, and today I am going to teach a 10th class lesson, 5th unit called Social Issues. What are these social issues? Dear children, in olden days in India, there was caste system. So because of this caste system, the people were ill-treated, like upper castes and lower castes were there, and how they were treated and what were the problems faced by the lower caste people. That is what we are going to learn in this lesson. So dear students, this lesson I am going to teach you as a point wise. So these point wises, if you keep in mind, it will be total lesson. It will be easy for you to remember and to write the exam without any mistakes. So coming to the lesson name is the Storied House. Why is the title Storied House is given? Let us understand first the meaning of the Storied House. Do you all know the meaning of the storied? The meaning of the storied is floors, like a house which has first floor, second floor and third floor. So these floors are called storied. Okay, so here in our lesson, the person whom we are going to study, he has a wish that he wanted to construct a storied house. But what happened? Did he really construct the house? That is the story we are going to learn about. So let us see the lesson. So coming to the first, the person whom we are going to discuss, the first point here is about the bus. Why is that about the bus did I write? Is that, so first let us see about Bayaji, second point. So who is this Bayaji? Bayaji is a person, just before I told you that he has a wish, he wanted to construct a storied house. So dear students, he belonged to a Mahar caste. What is that? Mahar caste. You can see the meaning here. Mahar means a Dalit community, means this person belonged to a low caste community. So that is the meaning Mahar. So where is he from? He is from Maharashtra. Where is which state? So this story took place in Maharashtra, dear students. So in Maharashtra, this man Bayaji was working in Bombay in dockyard. What is the meaning of the dockyard? You can see here. The place where the ships are built or repaired. Dockyard means a place where the ships are built or repaired. So what happened? This man Bayaji was working for many years in the dockyard. Then after he got retired from his job, and he was returning to his place. So that is the story took place. So let us see, dear students. Then he has to, after the job, after getting retired, he has to go to his village, no? Yes. So when he was traveling in a bus, what happened? What is that? That is what we are going to. That's what the first point is about the bus. So shall we see the lesson? Right, let's come. See what happened. This Bayaji lives in a mountain hill area. He lives in hill area. So what he says is that when he got in a bus, and the bus, it was a government bus, and in the bus he was traveling to his village. And just before I told you that the place where he lives was totally completely hill area. So even though the bus was traveling down the hill, up the hill and down the hill. Up the hill means the bus has to go to up the hill. And now, he is coming down the hill. Even though he was traveling down the hill, the bus was not moving fast because there was an old bus. So he is explaining about the condition of the bus in this lesson. So that's what dear students you have to understand. So the bus was, even though down the hill, the bus was really was not moving faster. And in between it got stopped. Then what happened? It was not getting started. Then conductor was getting angry, and even the driver was also angry, and the driver doesn't have any option because the bus was not stopping. So conductor requested us a few passengers to push the bus. So then some passengers got down and they pushed the bus. having got its initial momentum. Initial means starting momentum. Means the bus was not starting now. That is why some people got down and they pushed the bus. When they pushed it, then the bus got started and immediately all the passengers got into the bus and again they started traveling. So as they were traveling, finally the bus reached to his village and stopped in front of a dispensary hall. Dispensary hall means medical hall. It stopped there. Okay, fine up to that. Then what happened? How it brought the people? I told you already, the bus was an old conditioned bus. So it really brought like a truant child being dragged to school. What is the meaning of a truant child being dragged to school? Dear students, we see especially nursery LKG students, they don't want to come to school. So what do the parents do? They catch the student and forcefully they bring, and the child will be crying that he doesn't want to go to the classroom. He wanted to go back to his house. Likewise only the bus also it entered into the village like a truant child being dragged to school. It means it was not that good condition. So very slowly, somewhat the bus has reached its destination. He got down. But usually, where do we keep the luggage? The luggage will be kept the upper part of the bus. So only now our Bayaji got down from the bus and the dust whatever had fallen on him, he dusted. Dusted means what? He just dusted from the cloths whatever the dust was there. He dusted it, and later what did he do? Someone has to bring down that luggage. No, a coolie climbed up of the bus and he shouted, "Whose box is this?" Box means suitcase. So in olden days, not suitcases. An iron or wooden boxes will be there, no? Yes, that box in which he kept all the things like vessels, because he had been staying in Bombay in dockyard, no? That is why. So all the luggage which was there, he lifted and he asked, "Whose box is this?" Then Bayaji, who was down on the road, he said, "Yes, it's mine." Then the coolie heaved and grunted. Means why he heaved and grunted? Grunted means made a low sounds. Why? Because that box was very heavy. But Bayaji caught it with ease. Bayaji caught it with ease. Ease means what? Coolie who used to be daily lift a heavy loads. Children, understand here. Coolie means what? He is a coolie. Means he is a worker who lifts everyday heavy things. But being a coolie also, he felt heavy. But compared to Bayaji, he took it very easily. Means you understand here, Bayaji also in dockyard did more hard work than this coolie. He also in his lifetime, he worked in the dockyard lifting heavy loads. That is why now he is able to lift that box easily. Because he got used to the work now, so he lifted very easily. And he took it, he lowered it. So since the coolie helped him, he paid him little bit paisa, little bit amount he paid to him. Then what happened? Bayaji took that box on his head. So what does this tells you, dear students, that Bayaji took it very easily? It tells about the Bayaji's strength. And what was the age when he retired from the job? He is 60 years old. Just imagine, children. Even though he was 60 years old, his body was very strong because he had been lifting heavy loads in the dockyard. Only last 2 years before retirement, he got a promotion to be a supervisor. Otherwise, he had been total his life, he had been working and lifting heavy loads in the dockyard, dear children. That is why he had a very strong body and he had a good health also. So coming to that, he lifted a box and now where he has to go? He has to walk to the direction of his house. Yes, no? So he kept the box on his head and he was walking into the direction of his house. As he was walking, he met Bujaba. Who is this Bujaba? This person is a known rascal of that village. Rascal means a person who has some bad characters, or else a person who gives more importance to the caste system. So this is the man. He is a Patel. What is he? Patel. Patel means he is a high caste person, a person who gives importance to the caste. That is why we, in our lesson, it is mentioned he is a known rascal of the village. So he met him. Then when Bayaji met Bhujaba, then usually when we after so many days when we meet a new person, what do? We how are you? We ask no. The same way Bayaji asked. What did Bayaji ask? Good morning, sir. How are the things with you? He said. Then immediately Bhujaba got angry. You asked me that how are the things? According to the Mahar caste system, means old caste system, the old caste people should ask my lord, who are humble, and how are the things. It means they have to say namaskar and they should say that you are my lord and I humbly ask you how are the things. Such are the way, respective way we have to ask. But Bayaji just simply, how are you sir, he asked. For that also he got angry. Bhujaba got angry on Bayaji. For a moment, then immediately Bhujaba got angry and he said that, wow, do you think that you are since you have converted into Buddhism, you think that you can become an equal caste of us? It means even though he was a Mahar caste, his religion, Bhujaba got converted into Buddhism religion. So then Bhujaba asked, do you think that just by converting into Buddhism, do you think that you can be an equal caste of us? He questioned. Or else, do you think that by saying how are the greetings you can become a Brahmin? Means he is asking only Brahmins and high caste people only can treat them equally, not low caste people. So he is asking a question. By asking how are you think that you are a Brahmin, or else you just converted into Buddhism, so you can ask anything. Even though you turned into Buddhism also, you are a low caste. That's what he wanted to remind. Then when he said angrily, when he said like that, Bayaji got angry and he wanted to throw that box on him. But he controlled his anger. And also Bayaji's in mind that he doesn't want to have any rivalry. Means he doesn't want any opponent. He doesn't want any person, any enemy in the village, because he is no more going to work in Bombay, and moreover he is coming here to stay in his village and he wanted to be good with all the people. So only he did not say anything to him. Next point is conversation between Bayaji and Bhujaba. Then Bayaji, what did he do? He controlled his anger and he said, why sir? Why spring on me? Means why are you getting angry on me? Sir, I didn't mean to say that, sir, that I am an equal caste to you. But just I asked you how are you. Then Bhujaba also, he calmed down himself and he asked, okay man, then are you not going to work in Bombay hereafter? Then Bayaji answered, no sir, I got retired and I am not going to work in Bombay. I am going to stay in this village only hereafter, he said. Then he asked, okay, if you are got retired, it means you might have got some amount, Provident Fund, PF, you might have got it. How much? Then he said, not that much sir, very little daily wage, how much he earns, that much only sir. Then immediately Bhujaba asked, tell the correct figure of it. Then Bayaji said, approximately 2,500 rupees, means 2,500 rupees, he said. Then Bhujaba started immediately giving respect to him. Oh my God, 2,500 rupees, that was very much amount in olden days. Then he said, okay, no problem. There's a lot of heavy on your head. So you go and later we will discuss it, he said. It means when he heard that he had money, he started to give respect to Bayaji. Then Bayaji started to walk to the direction of his house and Bhujaba went into the direction of his house. So when they were walking to their direction, dear children, what happened here? Then Bayaji was going to his direction of his house. Then he reached a place called Takya. Takya means untouchables settlements house, and this is called, even another name is Buddha Vihar. I told you know this all the Mahar people in that village got converted into Buddhism. That's why Takya they named it as Buddha Vihar. It's the name of the building, and where all these Mahar caste people come and have the settlements. If they have any disputes, quarrels, any problems, they sit together and they discuss all their problems. So they when you reach there, some children were playing with stone class with some rag ball. Rag ball means a ball which is stone class. We make a ball and they were beating each other. That was the game they were playing. But when they say, when the children saw this Bayaji coming to the house, then immediately they stopped playing and they said, his grandchildren came, Baiju Nana came, they said, and the children ran to the direction of Bayaji's house. Nana means grandfather. Nana means Hindi. In Hindi it is grandfather. So children shouted and children went to the direction, and Bayaji took that box and he reached near the house. When he reached near the house, he met his mother. So then about mother. So Bayaji's mother did not allow him to enter into the house because the old age customs accordingly, all the rituals whatever are there, she wanted to complete. So what is that Bayaji's mother's age? 85 years. Dear children, 85 years old woman, she is also a very strong woman. She is also a very strong woman. She can needle the thread. She can break the nuts. Needle the thread, what does it tell us? It tells us that he has a very good eyesight. And she can break the nuts. It tells that she has very strong teeth. And she too was strong and she is able to walk. When she heard her son was coming, immediately she got up and she walked out. Then she said, my child, do not enter into the house. Please stop there. Then she brought bread and water and she rounded around him and she flung it away. Flung means threw it away as an offering. You understood, I think, all of you. Then after she ran all her fingers and she did like this and all her 8 fingers gave a sound. So then after he was allowed to enter into the house. So then about Bayaji's children. Actually Bayaji has 8 children. How many children? 8. In that 6 sons and 2 daughters. Let us see these 2 daughters, they got married and they have the children also. So let us see what are these 6 children are doing. The first child, eldest son, is working in the field work. Then second and third children, these 2 of them are government service. Government service means they have the government job. Then coming to the 4th child, it is not mentioned in our lesson. Then the 5th child is a school teacher. Next, 6th one is a boy who is still studying in the school. This is what about Bayaji's children and family. Next, then all children were. So since Bayaji's family know that he is coming, he got retired and he is coming home. So all 6 sons were at home and 2 daughters also have come to their house. So children, when Bayaji opened the box, all of them were waiting. What gifts my father has brought to us? All that 8 of the children were waiting. Then when that box was opened, in that only some pans, cooking pots and pans and these cloths and some nails and photographs were there. But no gifts. Then immediately the eldest daughter asked, Daddy, how is that you didn't bring us any gifts to us this time? Then Bayaji looked at the children and he answered, Dear children, you have your children. Still you are a small children, like you are asking me that why didn't I bring any gifts to you? And moreover children, my wish, Bayaji's wish, desire. Now he is going to explain his desire. Children, my wish is this time I wanted to give you a gift which will last longer. Last longer means which will be for many years. Such a gift I wanted to give to you. what is that? Then eldest son is really godly person. Godly means very good and obedient person. Then he said, Daddy, what do you want to say? Please tell us that what do you want to do with your retire amount? Then father said, Dear children, ours is a very small house. When we sit meal time in our house, we have to touch our knees one to the other person. While having meals, we sit no squatted and our knees touch to the one to the other person when the place is not sufficient. Such a means very inconveniently we have to sit in our house. So that is why my wish is that I wanted to build a house which is a storied house. So dear children, now understood? Bayaji's wish is he wanted to build a storied house. Then immediately all children accepted and they said, Father, it is really a good wish which you have. And we all agreed to that. They said, and on the auspicious, and on auspicious means a very good day, that was a New Year day, they started to construct the storied house. So dear children, let us see in next class that storied house part 2. What happened? Did they complete really the storied house or not? And what happened? Let us see in the next class and in the next session. So thanks a lot. Please do share and let other children also understand. And if you have any doubts, please contact me or in comments write and ask your doubts. Thank you. Thanks a lot.